Hello, children! Are you ready for another spelling and reading lesson? Let's start. Let's spell the word dress. Dress. D-R-E-S-S. Dress. Your turn to spell, children. Now, let's use the word dress in a sentence. My mother bought me a new dress. Bought me a new dress. Again, my mother bought me a new dress. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word drink. Drink. D-R-I-N-K. K. Drink. Your turn to spell, children. Now, let's use the word sentence. I drink milk every morning. Again, I drink milk every morning. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word slip. Slip. S-L-E-E-P. Slip. Your turn to spell, children. Now, let's use the word slip in a sentence. I sleep after doing my homework. Again, I sleep after doing my homework. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word right. Right. W-R-I-T-E. Right. Your turn to spell, children. Now, let's use the word right in a sentence. I can write my again. I can write my name. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word happy. 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 Your turn to spell, children. Now, let's use the word happy in a sentence. Playing piano makes me feel happy. Again, playing piano, happy. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word angry. Angry. A-N-G-R-Y. Angry. To spell, children. Now, let's use the word angry in a sentence. I feel angry when someone yells at me. Again, I feel angry when someone yells at me. Your turn to read, children. Let's spell the word smile. Smile. S-M-I-L-E. Smile. Your turn to spell, children. Now, let's use the word smile in a sentence. Playing with my pet dog makes me smile. Pet dog makes me smile. Again. Playing with my pet dog makes me smile. Your turn to read, children. Great job, children! Now,